that movie, but I learned about that lifestyle of the person who was working in that movie, something like that. Okay, don't beat around the bush, straight up forward. Answer should be straightforward. I love crispy, crunchy, scrumptious answer. Okay. So question again, when was the last time you watched a documentary?
Sir, I watched the movie in last month. It was a rocketry movie, and it is a sci-fi movies and science fiction movies, and it is depend on his lifestyle. That's it.
Okay, do you like rom-coms, romantic comedy?
Yeah, yeah. I like a rom-com, like a Golmaal again.
Golmaal again.
Yeah.
Okay, whenever you answer the question, please try to elaborate in 3 4 lines. Like, yes, I like to watch rom-com movie. Recently I have watched one movie, Golmaal again. So that was a movie I watched. Yes, to answer it, I watched it a couple of times, something like that. Try to elaborate in 2 3 lines. Don't say yes or no. Okay, this answer can be given by even a child. So try to answer more. One more question, why do people watch documentaries?
Some main motive of the documentary is uh, we know the situation, real situation. That's why I like to watch that movie.
Not you. Why do people like to watch documentaries?
Sir, documentaries. The first meaning of the documentary is a uh, it is a realistic movie,
Right.
and
Very
people
good.
like to watch the realistic.
Right. Right. Wow. So you can say people love non-fictional movies. Most of the people, they love reality based movie or non-fictional movies. So documentaries are most of the time or all the time they are non-fictional movies. So people watch them. Even they are thought provoking. They give us food for thought. We understand the situation. It challenges our assumptions. Right? Documentaries challenge our assumptions. So that's why people love to watch documentaries. Any other have you ever watched bomb movie? Bomb, like a flopped movie, bomb movie, like right now the Akshay Kumar is out of form, you can say. So have you ever watched any bomb movie?
Um, I saw recently the movie that's name is Bachchan Pandey.
Bachchan Pandey.